Color has a very deep impact on the quality.
I'm Michael. I'm responsible for the management of the Siemens corporate colors.
My name is Frank Zeitler. I'm working for the industrial design management at Siemens. Yeah, Siemens is a very big global company, so we have a lot of suppliers in different areas of the world. And to handle that, it's a challenge.
Design is about proportions, and one aspect which has a big influence on proportions is color. It has such a huge impact on the perception of volumes and detail shapes that you can't start without color actually from the very beginning.
The biggest challenge is that we have so many different technical materials and to match them with the colors.
It's a very reduced set of colors, but a huge color palette would not make sense for Siemens.
Some products are in cabinets, other products are used for mining. You need a color which fits all these requirements. We have design values to our Siemens brand, and we try to give these values a color too. So our focus is to reduce colors, to use our main colors, but make a very good approval process and matching process. And that's why we're working with NCS. We got in contact with NCS, I think about 10 years ago, because we had a defined Siemens colors, but we had no clear process how we can provide these colors. And that was the reason why we were looking for a color system which helps us to define our existing colors first. And NCS was a solution.
I think it has a huge impact. It's the support and the availability of a color system that is very accurate, and it is focusing on the perception of color. So you're always looking in the perspective of what you get in the end and not on how it's actually built. In a big company with a lot of products and a lot of teams developing these products and an industrial design, communication is a big part of the job, and the less uncertainties you have, the more efficient the communication is and the easier it is and the less obstacles you have. Because the communication is improved a lot, and yeah, that is basically on basis of the NCS color system.
NCS gives us constant quality, high quality in these samples. They are great experts at NCS. We are working together if we have concrete topics and challenges.
The transfer of knowledge from NCS to us, which gives the industrial design team a very strong position in actually implementing the colors in application. This is a big point actually.
And since we are working with NCS, we have a clear defined process.
Color accuracy is very important to us.
We have so many different technical materials like plastics. Some plastics are with glass fiber, other with flame protection materials inside. So it's very important to find a process how we can harmonize these colors with these materials.
NCS has a very accurate system of actually defining the colors that are already there. I mean, we're talking about specific existing colors. The NCS color samples are quite accurate on a similar level than actually the actual definition. And that means for us that we can reproduce and replicate over time. So we are not moving away from the actual color target. Basically, that's actually a result from the exact color definition from NCS.
Since we are working with NCS, I just have to compare products which are 20 years old and the current products, and you see the clear difference. Now we have this stable process, and that is very helpful.
My personal color wouldn't be a gray one, obviously. I mean, personal color shouldn't be about gray. Then I would choose the Siemens Petrol.
And my favorite is titanium gray. It's our main color for the industry products. And it's a special Siemens color. That's the reason why it's my favorite.